everyone, this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for clicking, and it would be amazing if you subscribe to my channel. I post about beauty, lifestyle, recipes and whatever pops into my head. So let's begin. What am I going to talk about today? I'm going to do like a haul updates because I have loads of makeup and I use some of them, but I don't really revisit them and let you know how they're working for me. So I have my little bin and pot. What would you call this? Container? Anyway, I have this and it has my blushes and things I use to contour and highlight. So I'm going to mention them, I'm going to talk to you about them, and I'm going to say what I think. And yeah, so let's begin. First of all, I use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil contouring, what's this? Contouring powder. And it's medium. I really like it. I don't always contour now. I used to contour every day. Now I don't. I just don't have enough time. But I like this, and this is something I've purchased many times. So repurchased many times. So that's that. And then I have a couple of the, what are they? A couple of the H&M blushes. What do I have here? Hang on, let me take off my glasses because it's hard for me to see when I'm wearing glasses. So I have Pink Coral, which is this one. And I really like this. I wear this during the summer. And I also have, what's this one? Rose Brown. This is more wintry. H&M blushes are very affordable. And they have loads and loads of colors. I don't know if they still have the H&M beauty line or if it stopped. But the colors of these two are nice. They're easy to blend. And, you know, to make your skin, your cheeks look nice and rosy or whatever you want them to look like. So they're really nice. I really like these. Another blush I have is this it's called Beautiful Blush. It's Clinique. I've lost the brush. And this is more of a nudie pink, an everyday blush. Very pigmented. But if you're heavy-handed like me, you don't need to worry. Like, it doesn't mess up with your makeup. So it doesn't mess your makeup up. So yeah, you should check it out. What else do I have? Okay, this has been hyped up a lot. It's not the Jaclyn Hill one. It's the Becca highlighter in Opal. Now, for a long time, this is it. This is what it looks like. For a long time, I wasn't using this because I was scared. And I thought, oh, I don't know, I might wear too much and it will look weird. But now I wear it. I don't put too much on. I wear a little bit. And I use actually this brush, a NYX powder brush. So I get a lot of highlight on. Do I think it's worth the hype though? No, I don't really do. Like, it's too much money for a highlighter, and you can find so many highlighters at the, more affordable ones from the drugstore or even cheaper ones. Of course, this will last forever, but I don't know. It's all right. It's a nice highlighter, but I don't know. Another product I have and have had for ages is the Estee Lauder Goddess palette, which came with a highlighter, a blusher and a bronze. I really like this. I was using this a lot. It's really good for traveling. If Estee Lauder comes out with a new Goddess line, I will probably buy it because they're really good products and really nice colors. So now my go-to everyday blush, which has hit pan, is the MAC Fleur. Really nice, really pigmented. The only thing I've noticed is that it doesn't last on my skin for very, very long. But that might be me not applying enough or something like that. So I'm not going to blame this, but I have noticed, I don't know, if you've tried MAC blushes. Tell me, are they long lasting? Because for me, they're not. So I'm waiting to hear from you. What else? What other highlighter or blush do I have? Okay, this is a Too Faced Snow Bunny. Now, this was a sample for Easter or something. Not Easter, a sample for Christmas. And, you know, you swirl your brush in it. It doesn't look weird. It's a highlighter. I don't really wear it. It's forgotten in that little container. So, yeah, it's all right. Nothing amazing. I like this one more, though. This is the Candlelit Rose Glow. This is really nice. Rosy Glow, sorry. This is really nice. It is, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like on my finger. There, when you put it on your skin. I don't know, can you see that? I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but anyway. I use this, but not that much. I like it. It didn't make me buy the full size, and I'm not gonna like be disappointed if it finishes, but there's so much in it, like I don't really need to buy the full size. Anyway, what else? Okay, so I have Touche Eclat, what's this called? Touche Eclat YSL Under Eye Concealer, Brightening, whatever it is. I never use this. I bought it. I used it once or twice. I don't know what it does. It doesn't brighten me. I don't think it does anything. So, I don't know. It's just in there. I don't know. If you love it, tell me why. I also have this Estee Lauder Brightening Concealer. Again, same thing. It's all right. Does it do anything amazing? No. Like, I'm not going to repurchase this. Or this, which is a highlighter. It's the Genuine Glow highlighter. I'll apply some on my hand. It's Estee Lauder again. This is what it looks like when you put it on your hand. Can you see? I don't know if you can see. It does look shiny and glowy. So I sometimes wear this more during the winter. And I'm not really into cream liquid highlighters, so I don't know. It does shimmer, so it is shiny, but it's all right. So out of all these products, if I had to recommend things, I would probably recommend the MAC Fleur. I would recommend H&M blushes because they're affordable and they're nice. I would definitely recommend the Estee Lauder Goddess line, which comes out in the summer, and my Too Faced contouring. So, which of these products have you tried? What do you think about them? And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.